Chapter 5. Purpose of communication. Definition of communication. Communication is the process of sharing information, thoughts, ideas, or emotions between individuals or groups. It can take different forms: verbal, spoken words, non-verbal, gestures, facial expressions, written, letters, emails, or visual, charts, images. Effective communication ensures that the sender's message is understood as intended by the receiver. Purpose of communication. General purposes. 1. To inform, provide knowledge or facts. Example: a teacher explaining a lesson or a news article sharing current events. 2. To persuade, convince others to adopt a viewpoint or take action. Example: a politician giving a speech to gain votes, or an advertisement promoting a product. 3. To entertain, offer enjoyment or relaxation. Example: a comedian's performance or a novel meant for leisure reading. 4. To build relationships, strengthen personal or professional connections. Example: friendly conversations between coworkers or networking events. 5. To express emotions, convey personal feelings. Example: writing a heartfelt letter or sharing a story about a memorable experience. In organizations. 1. Facilitating decision-making. Ensures all team members have the necessary information to make informed choices. Example: a meeting discussing the budget for a project. 2. Building relationships. Encourages collaboration and mutual understanding. Example: team-building activities or one-on-one feedback sessions. 3. Sharing goals. Helps everyone understand the organization's objectives. Example: a CEO presenting the company's annual goals. 4. Problem solving. Helps resolve conflicts or challenges effectively. Example: brainstorming sessions to find solutions for a delay in a project. 5. Maintaining records. Ensures transparency and future reference. Example: written policies, meeting minutes, or project reports. How to identify the purpose of writing. To identify the purpose of a piece of writing, consider the following. 1. Audience. Who is the intended reader? Example: writing for children would use simple words and engaging stories. 2. Content. What message is being delivered? Example: a manual would focus on clear instructions, not entertainment. 3. Tone. Is the tone formal, persuasive, or emotional? Example: a persuasive essay will have a confident and convincing tone. 4. Outcome. What should the reader do or feel after reading? Example: a motivational letter aims to inspire action. Writing styles with definitions and examples. 1. Expository writing. Definition: writing that explains or informs. It presents facts, data, and explanations without expressing personal opinions. Examples: textbooks provide information about a subject. Instruction manuals explain how to assemble or operate something. News articles factual report events objectively. Though descriptive writing. Definition: writing that paints a vivid picture of a scene, person, or object using sensory details. Examples: travel blogs describe the sights, sounds, and smells of a destination. Poetry evokes emotions through rich imagery. Fiction uses details to bring characters and settings to life. Teen narrative writing. Definition: writing that tells a story with characters, a plot, and a setting. Examples: novels follow characters through events and conflicts. Short stories focus on a single event or idea. Memoirs share personal life experiences. 4. Persuasive writing. Definition: writing that aims to convince the reader of a viewpoint or encourage action. Examples: advertisements persuade people to buy a product. Argue a stance on a social or political issue. Cover letters convince an employer to hire you. 5. Creative writing. Definition: writing that expresses ideas imaginatively and uniquely, often breaking traditional writing rules. Examples: fiction, invented stories, including science fiction or fantasy. Screenplays, scripts for movies or television. Experimental poetry, uses unconventional structures and themes. Writing traits. Writing traits are the characteristics of good writing. They help improve clarity, effectiveness, and engagement in any written work. 1. Ideas, a clear and focused main idea or message. Example: a science article explaining a specific concept without going off topic. 2. Organization, logical structure and flow of ideas. Example: a report that starts with an introduction, provides data in the body, and concludes with recommendations. 3. Voice, the writer's personality and style coming through the writing. Example: a personal blog that reflects the writer's humor or warmth. 4. Word choice, using precise, engaging, and appropriate language. Example: a marketing slogan like "Just do it" for Nike is short but impactful. 5. Sentence fluency, sentences that flow smoothly and vary in structure. Example: the sun rose slowly, painting the sky with hues of gold. Birds chirped in harmony, welcoming a new day. Chair conventions. Correct grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Example: properly edited business emails with no typos or errors. 7. Presentation, the overall appearance, including formatting and visuals. Example: a resume with a clean layout, bullet points, and professional fonts. By understanding the purpose, writing styles, and traits, writers can better tailor their work to effectively communicate with their audience and achieve their goals.